found on YouTube. Just thought I'd do a video about this battery cover for my Harley Sportster. If you've got a Sportster yourself, you probably had the same issue. These clips there, I've actually taken them off, but these clips that are on here, they don't really hold it in place. So when I came home today, this is how it looked. The battery cover had come down and was just sitting on like that, and it's happened like a lot of times before too. And yeah, I'm not the only one with that problem, because I've looked on YouTube and stuff like that, and heaps of other people have had that problem too. So I've taken these out. These things here, these clips, they just sit in these holes here, and you just pull them out, and I'm just going to put zip ties in at the moment. I seem to go on YouTube do it with Velcro straps, so I might try and get my hands on some of them sometime soon. But for now, I'm just going to do it with zip ties. So just got a couple of zip ties here, and just going to put them through these holes, and that way it will be easier. I'm surprised it's never come off. I wonder what people think when they see you riding down the street like that. So this guy's bike's falling to pieces. Might be a little bit tricky trying to thread this on. See if I can get this. Just put this one on enough so it's holding it on. And yeah, I'm definitely going to get some straps for it. I think some Velcro straps. Not that this will be that much of a hassle anyway, but obviously, you know, my battery is pretty new, so I'm not going to have to change it out very often, you know. Why isn't that coming through? There we go. This will work a lot better than those clips, I would say. And then we probably just want to trim the excess. Yeah, that's not coming off. So yeah, just get yourself some zip ties and zip it up. That's going to be much better. Chuck that seat back on and see how it looks. These seats are kind of weird to get on there. Where is it? Apparently the newer ones, the newer Sportsters, have got better clips apparently, so you may even be able to get some of them, but this will do for now. Pretty happy with that. no more falling off. So yeah, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to, if you enjoyed it. Got some other videos about the Sportster, it's like even some vlogs and stuff. I used to do a bit of motor vlogging, and just wheel change, battery removal, stuff like that. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys later.